heard of 3D printing about 7 years ago. I thought we could use this technology to build schools faster. Good morning. Today we're visiting the site. It's a very early and cool morning. I was adopted from China when I was about 18 months old. I was from a poor village, so I really relate to the Malagasy people and a lot of the villages here. And if you have access to school, I think a lot more opportunities arise from that.
Our 3D printer is arriving on site. There's the truck.
So excited to watch the walls being printed.
Yeah. Perfect.
That printhead is fed from the pump that you have here and the water that you have here and the mix, the cement mix, the ink that you have here. When we start printing, it's going to be extremely quick to build those walls. In the future, that technology can really help to build fast, to also minimize the use of materials.
It's moving, the first layer. A third of the wall has been printed now. So exciting. I can't believe it. Welcome to our school. It took about 3 weeks to build once the printer was up and running. Total print time was about 18 hours.
Ity trano ity zany amina dia mirepresenté hoe provy mivaingana hoe misy tokoa teknôlôjia ary mivoatra foana teknôlôjia ary amin'ny alalan'ny teknôlôjia dia afaka manao zavatra rapide sady tsara.